Hello and welcome to another episode of Get Lit. My name's Christina and today I'm going to be sharing with you some information on how you can access Scottsdale Public Library's fantastic new service called BookMates Junior, where you can get a surprise selection of children's books based on topics or themes of your choice. And after my brief tutorial, we're also going to be joined by Michelle, who's going to show us how Scottsdale Public Library uses Goodreads to help you find your next perfect book. Let's get started. Scottsdale Public Library is excited to offer a new service called BookMates Jr, where patrons can request up to 10 children's books based on a specific topic or theme of their choice. You can access BookMates Jr on our website, scottsdalelibrary.org, where you will see the service advertised on a rotating banner at the top of the homepage. Alternatively, you can select the youth option on the navigation bar and the book options on the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Youth Books page where you can click on the Bookmates Junior banner, which will take you to the online form. This form will ask you for your basic information, including name, library card number, and email address. You will also be asked to fill in the age of your child and the topics your child finds interesting. You can be very creative with your topics, or you can be very purposeful with your requests by asking for specific accelerated reader levels. Next, you will select fiction, nonfiction, or either kind. You can select the specific type of book, including picture books, learning to read books, chapter books, graphic novels, or any of these kinds. After selecting the quantity of books you would like to receive, you'll be asked if you have read about this subject in the past, and if you would like to have your reading history recorded. Selecting yes for both options lets the librarian know that you might have already read multiple books on your topic, and the librarian will try to avoid pulling books you checked out previously. Finally, select the branch you want to pick your items from, and click Submit. Once staff receive your request and locate books that match your preferences, they will place them on hold for you to pick up. You will receive your normal email, text, or phone call notification once these items are available on the hold shelf for you to pick up. To see what holds were placed, you can log on to your account online or call call center at 480-312-READ. That's 480-312-7323 for more assistance. We hope you enjoy this new service. Next, we will hear from Michelle, who will share information about the library's use of Goodreads, which can help any patron find their next favorite book.
Hello, I'm going to walk you through some of the ways Scottsdale Public Library uses Goodreads to help you find your next great read. If you're not familiar with Goodreads, it is a website that allows you to keep lists of your own or look at other people's lists, as well as find read-alikes and information about specific titles, series, and authors. The first thing I want to show you is how Goodreads is integrated into our library catalog. You can search for Library Staff Review, which pulls up titles that we have reviewed. We are also slowly adding stickers to our collection, so if you're walking through our building, you can see which items have been reviewed by staff. So here we have a list of titles that are reviewed by staff, but you can also see that you can search by terms like Library Staff Review Romance, which narrows down what you'll see. After you've played with this a bit, you might see that there are some staff members whose reviews you particularly enjoy or who have similar tastes in books to you. You can also search by Library Staff Review Mike, which pulls up books that that staff member has reviewed. The other way that we've integrated Goodreads into the catalog is that on any title, you can scroll down to the ratings and reviews and click on Read Reviews on Goodreads. This will show you the reviews of other readers without even leaving the library's catalog. So now let's take a look at the library's Goodreads page. You can find us on Goodreads.com by searching for us under Community and then Groups, or on our webpage, and go down to the bottom and click the icon for Goodreads, which takes you directly to our Goodreads page. On our profile page, we have information about us and then our bookshelves. You can look generally at all the books reviewed by us by going to our red shelf, or you can pick a certain genre or age level. One of my favorite shelves to look at is the juvenile fiction chapter books, which I love to use for recommending new books to some of our younger patrons. Click on the title to see our review, and then I like to look at how others have shelved the books, such as mystery, fantasy, and adventure. Sounds like a fun one. Lastly, if you have a Goodreads account yourself, you can friend us on Goodreads, and then our reviews will come up in your newsfeed. Thanks for watching, and see you on Goodreads.